Hello students, today I will discuss photochemical reactions. Photochemical reactions, as the name implies, are the reactions which take place with the help of light. For such reactions, exposure to light is compulsory. The examples of photochemical reactions are like reaction of hydrogen with the chlorine and reaction of hydrogen gas with that of bromine gas. Let us study one by one. When H2 reacts with Cl2, then 2HCl is formed. But light is compulsory. H nu is the symbol of light. And what is the mechanism of this reaction? First of all, chain initiation step takes place. Chain initiation step. And in this step, Cl2 in the presence of suitable light gets changed into free radicals. Cl dot, Cl dot. They are the free radicals. And this is the chain initiation step. Then chain propagation step takes place. This free radical is unstable. It reacts with hydrogen gas and then HCl is formed. One H dot will come from H2 and that will combine with Cl and HCl is formed, and what is the remaining? H free radical. This is the chain propagation. Likewise, this H free radical combines with Cl2. Now Cl dot will combine with H and again HCl is formed. What is the remaining? Cl dot. So, after chain initiation, this is the chain propagation step. And then chain termination. Chain termination step. This will conclude the reaction. And what is chain termination? Like Cl dot plus Cl dot will change into Cl2. And obviously in the initiation step, Cl dot means Cl chlorine free radical. So in the initiation step, chlorine free radicals were formed. And in the termination step, those free radicals are combined to form the chlorine gas. So this is the mechanism in three steps: initiation, propagation and termination. Obviously, photochemical breaking of chlorine is required in the mechanism. But when we experimentally determine the order of the reaction, then a surprising factor comes. What is that? In the reaction H2 plus Cl2 2HCl, the rate of the formation of HCl is directly proportional to H2 raised to the power 0 Cl2 concentration raised to the power 0. means the formation of HCl, the speed of formation of HCl do not depend on the concentrations of hydrogen or chlorine. And obviously hydrogen and chlorine, they are gases, so these are the pressures you can see. So the rate of formation of HCl do not depend on the concentrations, or in this case on the pressures of hydrogen and the pressure of chlorine. So the order of the reaction is 0. So reaction between hydrogen and chlorine is the example of 0 order reaction. And now if we talk about the reaction of H2 and Br2, H2 plus Br2, then it will be 2HBr. Then it will be 2HBr. And in this case, the rate of formation of HBr is directly proportional to concentration of Br2, concentration of H2. This power is half, this power is 1. Means the rate of formation of HBr is a fractional order. 1 plus half, the order is 3 by 2. So it is a fractional order reaction. Otherwise, if we consider the mechanism is very much similar to the reaction when H2 is reacting with Cl2. Let us write that mechanism also. In the initiation step, obviously, Br2 will change into bromine free radicals, and then obviously in every place where Cl2 or Cl is there, there will be Br. Like here, there will be Br dot HBr, and when H dot reacts with Br2, there will be HBr and Br free radical, and in chain termination step, this Br free radical will change into Br2. The mechanism of the reaction is very much similar to the reaction of hydrogen with chlorine, but the only difference is that in this case the order with respect to bromine is a fractional order, but in case of chlorine the order of the reaction was 0 order reaction. So these are the examples of photochemical reactions, and obviously in photochemical reactions the rate of the reaction mainly depends on the intensity of the light, and it is generally independent on all the other factors. It is independent from all the other factors, but mainly depends on the intensity, sometimes square root of the intensity and sometimes directly proportional to intensity, but ultimately intensity of the light is the main factor behind the photochemical reactions. Thank you.